Let's talk about large language models or LLMs. You've probably heard of GPT by now. Maybe you've used it to write an email, draft some code, or just see what's all the buzz is about. But what is an LLM really? And how does it work? And most importantly, what can it do for your business? So let's start off. What is a large language model? At its core, a large language model is a type of a foundation model. Think of foundation models like engine block of AI, trained on massive amount of data, self-supervised, and built to adapt across tasks. When we say large, we're talking really large. These models are trained on everything from books and websites to conversations and code, and the scale is mind-boggling. For perspective, 1 gigabyte of text can hold roughly 178 million words. LLMs are trained on data in the petabyte range. That's over a million gigabytes. Imagine training a model on the text equivalent of the entire internet and you're getting there close. But it's not just about the amount of data, it's about how the model learns from it. So, how does the LLM work? There are three building blocks to any LLM: data, architecture, and training. We've covered data, the internet scale that teaches the model about language. Now, the architecture, it's based on something called transformer, the T in GPT. Transformers are designed to understand the context of each word in a sentence by comparing it to every other word. It's like reading with a high-level overview and intense attention to detail at the same time. During training, the model plays a giant guessing game, predicting the next word in a sentence. At first, it makes random guesses. The sky is bug? Not really, right? But over billions of tries, it gets better. It starts to understand patterns like the sky is blue. Eventually, it can write full paragraphs, articles, and even poetry all from scratch. And once the model is trained, we can fine-tune it. That means giving it smaller, more focused data set so it becomes an expert in a specific task, like writing medical summaries, generating legal clauses, or answering questions about your company's product. So what does this mean for business? A lot, actually. Let's start with the obvious one: customer service. LLMs can power virtual agents that answer questions, resolve issues, and escalate only when needed. 24/7 support with a personality. Next up is content creation. Whether it's blog posts, emails, product descriptions, scripts like what I'm speaking right now, or even social media, LLMs can generate high-quality drafts in seconds. Great for marketeers and lifesaver for small teams. Next up is also software development. LLMs can help write code, explain code, or even debug it, acting like a second set of eyes for your engineering team. And these are just not examples. Legal research, HR automation, financial reporting, wherever language is involved, LLMs are showing up. Now, the bottom line is that large language models aren't just the hype. They're becoming core building blocks for how we work, create, and interact with technology. Understanding how they work and where they fit is going to be essential for every business leader, product team, and innovator moving forward. So, if you've got questions, ask me in the forum, and if you want more insights like this, don't forget to catch me on the next segment. Thanks for watching.